class, any chapter, but any particular chapter you are having with you so that I can take demo for you. Any particular chapter? Any chapter is fine for you. All right. Recently, which chapter you read in school or in class?
Lines and angles.
Lines and angles. Okay. So let me check which all chapters I'm having with me right now. Lines and angles, right? Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So lines and angles is finished for you or still they are doing in class?
Over, done, sir.
Okay. Do you having any doubt or anything you are having on lines and angles or something
No,
like
sir.
that? It's everything is clear to you.
But I'm not kind of perfect.
Acha, all right. So see if you just understand 6.1 exercise. Can you see this?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
know about this question? Do you know about the question number 1? Did you remember? Question number 1.
No, sir.
Which book you are referring in your class?
NCRT textbook, sir.
6.1, the same thing you are having with you. Same question with you, right?
Should check, sir.
Acha, all right. You didn't remember it, right?
Yeah.
So I should start concept for this then, right? I should teach you concept, no? How the things will go, how to go further, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then I'll go for the introduction part of this so that you can understand in better way. Lines and angles. So there are 4 line items are there. One is point, line, line segment, and ray. Okay. So what are the concept of this point, then line, line segment, and ray? See, point already you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Line is the, you know what is line?
Yeah, sir.
Line can extend in both the sides. Okay, it's endless. Means you can extend, keep on extending the line thing. It will not going to end anywhere. Line segment. Line segment is nothing but from a single point. If you see this thing, this will get ending to 2 points. This 2 points will get ended somewhere. So this is a line segment. Line segment is nothing, it's the part of one line. Line is there, no, just taking one part of it. And this is a line segment, what you understand. It's a part of line only, which is, and you can't go anywhere apart from this. This is the boundary of this point, line segment. So it's got terminated. Terminated means got stopped. If you see the figure over here, it got stopped over here, right? 2 points. It's got stopped at 2 points, right? Diksha?
Yes, sir.
See, if you see the figure A and B, it stopped at point A and B. This is your line segment. Terminated, do you know about terminated? What is terminated? Terminated means it got stopped. Means at B, it got stopped. At A, starting from A, it went stop to B. That's it. Okay. Ray means from a single point. From a single point, you are going to one side, one direction. That is nothing but ray. Ray means from a single point, you are just moving to a particular direction. Suppose this is a point, you're starting from here. You are moving towards left. So this is what? This is ray. Okay. Ray. Then you understand 4 things now, 4 terms now: point, line, line segment, and ray. You are having any doubts in these 4 points?
No, sir.
Okay, tell me the difference between line and line segment.
Line is an endless. Line is endless from both the points, and line segment is a section of line.
Acha, it's a part of line which can be terminated. Means at single, it got ended at some point, right? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next, your type of angles. Do you know all these type of angles?
Yes, sir.
No doubt in this, correct?
Yeah, sir.
So tell me, what is reflex angle?
Reflex angle, which is more than 180.
And less than?
Less than 360.
All right, fine. What is collinear and non-collinear points? Collinear and non-collinear points. Do you have any idea about this collinear and non-collinear points? See, collinear means the points which lies on the line. Okay, the point in a single line. Suppose this is a particular line is there. On this particular line, all the 3 points lies A, B, and C. So we can say that A, B, C are collinear points. Okay, collinear means which lies on the same line. Non-collinear points means it. Suppose one, like if you draw one line, this will be different. This will be different, right? So these are non-collinear points. So all the points are not meeting at a single line. So this A, E, D, E, F are the non-collinear points, whereas A, B, C are collinear points. It's clear?
Sir.
So if you find area, what is area? You know what is area?
Yes, sir.
So area of the collinear points, if you see, the area will be what? 0. You can't find the area because it's a one single line, no? And you can't find the area of a single line. Area is what? 0. But in case of non-collinear points, if you see, you can find some area will come into this, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you join this lines D, E, F, so you'll get one particular area. So you'll get some area of this triangle, correct?
Yes, sir.
So area of non-collinear points, the lines which meeting the non-collinear points, will get something. It's not equal to 0, something will get, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you are having?
No, sir.
All right. So now types of angles. We read 9 types of angles. Acute, right, obtuse, what we have just even know all this before only, right? Now what are
Yes.
complementary and supplementary angles?
You're
Complementary.
asking me?
Yeah. If you don't know, I'll teach you. If you know, we'll move further.
I know, sir.
Okay. What are supplementary angles?
Supplementary angles, when two angles sum is equal to 180, it's called supplement. They are called supplementary angles.
Okay. Now you know adjacent angles.
Yes, sir.
Tell, what is adjacent angles?
Like it's shown in the picture, sir. Like,
Okay, all right. So if two angles have the same vertex and there one of the arm is common. Suppose if you're taking these angles, right? AD. AD is common in both. This line is common. If you're taking this angle, then also AD is coming. And if you're taking B angle, then also AD is coming. So one line is common over here. One of the arm is common. Is it clear? One of
yes,
the
sir.
arm is clear here. All right. So if you're writing two angles and any one arm is common into both, we call it adjacent angles. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is linear pair that you know? Linear pair.
No, sir.
See, linear pair means angle lie on a single line. Suppose if you see this one, this figure, two angles lies on a straight line. Angle 1 and angle 2, if you match, you'll get 180 degree, right? The sum
Yes,
of
sir.
two angles is 180. The see here, this angle 1 and angle 2, if you add, what will get? 180. Why? Because these both angles lie on a straight line. Okay. Linear means straight line. Pair means two angles, right? Linear means what? Straight. And pair means one particular, means two, pair of two angles. It's just like supplementary only. Means both are supplement to each other, we can say. All right. Both are supplement to each other. Or you can say one more thing here. The three angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. If you add angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, what do you get?
If I add angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, it will get 180.
Yeah. So which angle says this angles on a straight line? Any angles.
Yes.
If any angle make one half circle, okay, like this half circle, it means that this is what? 180 degree.
180. Okay. Yes.
If it is two angles, three angles, four angles, five angles, how many angles will be there? Sum of all the angles is equal to what? 180.
180.
Yeah, you can see the protector also, right? You are having 180-degree protector with you, correct? That is
Yeah,
half.
sir.
That is half circle. If it is coming complete circle, that is 360-degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? Anything you know about vertically opposite angle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Like when two lines intersect and there are four angles, example forming, the opposite angles will be equal.
Okay. Suppose in this figure, I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which two angles are equal?
2, 3 are equal. 1, 4 are equal.
Yeah, fine. So I understood vertically opposite angles. It's like you can just remember cross over here, cross. Okay, if cross is coming, that is
Yeah.
known as vertically opposite angles. Okay.
Okay,
Intersecting
sir.
lines. Intersecting lines, you already know, right?
Yeah, sir.
Two or more lines that meet up one point is called intersecting lines. When two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angle. Already you read.
Yeah, sir.
Sum of all the angles formed at a point is 360-degree. It means that
Yes.
point means this is like 360-degree. Understood? And circle.
Yes.
All right. Next, we are just pair of axiom we are going to read now. If a ray line stands on a line, the sum of two angles formed by the ray is what? 180-degree. I already know, correct? These are supplementary angles.
Yes.
Angles formed on a line is called 180-degree, or you can say supplementary angles. All right. Next one is, so now parallel line axioms. So you can see this diagram. What is diagram called?
Right one or the left one, sir?
Left one.
Left one, there are two parallel lines and there is a transversal which is intersecting both the parallel lines.
Okay. What about exterior angles? Which all are exterior angle in first part? In first figure, left one. Which all angles are exterior angles? Which
I is
all?
an exterior angle
Okay. 5 is exterior angle. Next.
and 8.
All right. 8 because it's mentioned over there. Okay. Next. Which exterior angles are there? First, I'll tell you the
6,
concept. First, I
7.
tell you the concept. 6, 7. Yes. See how to identify which are exterior angles and which are interior angles. Do you know that?
No, sir.
See, you can see these two lines, right? L and M, correct?
Yeah, sir.
So outside means this side out and this side out. Outside which all angles are coming, that is our exterior angles. So outside this line means is coming under exterior angles. If you see here, 5, 6 is exterior, right?
Yes, sir.
And down one, 7 and 8 are also exterior angles, correct?
Yeah, sir.
Which all are interior angles over here?
1, 2, 4, 3.
Yeah. Now understood the difference between exterior and interior angles.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm asking you, which of the pair of exterior angles are equal? Which of the pair of exterior angles are equal?
5 and 8 are equal.
Very good. 5 and 8 are equal. Next.
7 and 6.
7 and 6 are equal. So these are the exterior part you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
These are what you are telling. We name it as exterior alternate angles. What we call exterior alternate. Why we call alternate? Because one angle is on the other side and one is the other side. If you see the transversal here, 5 is on the left hand side of this transversal and 8 is on the right side of transversal, right?
Yeah, sir.
And again 6 and 7, if you see, the 6 is on right hand side, 7 is on left hand side. It's clear?
Yeah, sir.
So which angle we call this one? 5 and 8. Which angle we call it as? Forgot. Which angle we call it as 5 and 8?
Exterior
Exterior,
angles.
exterior alternate angles. Alternate. 5 and 7 is coming now. 5 and 7. What we call it as
Yes.
exterior alternate
Alternate
angle.
angle.
Got it?
Yes.
Now, if I'm asking you interior alternate angles, then what do you say?
1, 3, 2,
One,
4.
oh, 1, 2, 3, or 4 are the interior angles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But which interior angle is equal to which interior angle? We name it as interior alternate angles. Which angle is equal?
2 and 4 are equal.
Yeah, alternate means one other side you should go. So 2 and 4
Yes.
are equal. Very good. Next.
1 and 3 are equal.
1 and 3 are equal. So you understood right now interior and exterior angles. Then interior alternate angles are equal. Exterior alternate angles are equal. Right?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
In the same figure, if I ask you which all angles are vertically opposite angles, then what do you say?
Vertically opposite angles.
In the same figure, which are the pair of angles are equal by this axiom, vertically opposite angles?
5, 2, 1, 6.
Hmm.
4,
That's correct.
8, 3, 7.
Very good. So these are the vertically opposite angles. Next one, I'm asking you linear pair. Which all are the pairs of linear pair here? Which all angles are linear?
5 and 6.
So 5 and 6 are equal, or 5 and 6 sum should be equal to 180?
Yeah, 5 and 6 sum equals 180.
Next.
1 and 2 sum equals 180.
Yes. Next.
Same with this.
Yeah, all
4
right.
and 3, 7 and 8.
4 and 3, 7 and 8. So see, there is a difference between linear pair and interior alternate angles. See, interior alternate angles are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
But in linear pair, where sum of both angles are what equal to? Sum of both angles is equal to 180. Understood?
That's it.
Yeah. So now, in which type of angle we are having sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree?
Sum of 2 equals 1.
Sum of two angles is equals to 180. So suppose you are having linear pair. Sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, right?
Yeah, sir.
In the same way, in the same fashion, which two angles are equal to 180 degree in this triangle? You know about co-interior angles?
No, sir.
Co-interior angles. You don't know about this, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know interior is coming into picture, right? Interior.
Yeah, sir.
Interior means we are not talking about 5, 6, 7, 8. We are talking only about which angles? Tell me, Diksha.
3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Co-interior means both the angles should be on the same side. So which pair is same side? Which pair is same side here?
4, 1, 3.
Same side I'm talking about. Same side, not different side. You are saying 1, 3, 2, 4. That is the interior alternate angles. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is interior alternate angles. That is 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equals to angle 4. It's clear, Diksha?
Yes, sir.
But co-interior is sum of both angles should be equal to what?
180.
180. And you should co-interior means you should see on the left hand side, means you are just seeing the line transversal. You can see the transversal.
Yes, sir.
So which angles are on the left hand side? 1 and
4.
Similarly, on the right hand side, 2 and 3.
3.
So sum of which two angles is equal to 180 degree? Tell me. Sum of which two angles is equal to 180 degree? Diksha.
1 and 4.
2
2
and
and 3.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Like this you should say. So this is co-interior angles. So any doubt you are having in this?
Okay.
So in co-interior angles, so these are the, you know about corresponding angles? Do you know about
Yes, sir.
corresponding? So what are corresponding angles? Tell me here, which angles is corresponding angles? Corresponding angle means see here. See the line here, L and M. Left hand side of the upper part, left hand side of the upper part only on both the sides should be what? Corresponding angles. You can see that.
Yes, sir.
So this is the same thing, 2 and 6, then 4 and 8, 3 and 7. You can see here what are the corresponding angles over here, correct? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then alternate interior angles you have already read. That is 4 and 6, 3 and 5 are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So alternate part I taught you already. Exterior angles I already taught you, right? Next one is
Yes, sir.
interior. This one, co-interior angles. Fourth one is co-interior angles. See, all the 4 points is clear to you, correct, Diksha?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'll start your exercise. Question number 1. Only one question I'll just ask you, okay? Only one question I'll ask you over here. So in this figure, the figure you can see here?
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Your screen is lagging, sir, actually.
Lagging.
Yes, sir.
You can't see my screen?
A little blur and it's like, it's not
Ach-
clear, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Again, I'm sharing that one. 1 minute. Now? चली गई वो उसका इंटरनेट Hello, Diksha. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I think your internet is lagging, Diksha. I think you are having internet
Yeah,
problem.
sir. I think so. Yeah.
Because here no network issue actually. It's 100 Mbps. It's very fast actually. Your sometimes video is not coming like that is happening. Okay. Anyway, this still here is clear to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions you can ask?
No,
You
sir.
can- See, I'll just make you understand only one question because your network is not that proper. I'll just make here only one question you try to understand. And you have to find a reflex angle COE and BOE. Can you find this? Just try once with yourself. You have to find just two questions. BOE and reflex of COU. Can you do this by yourself? Just check. Don't see the answers over here. Okay, just see whether you can do it or not.
In the figure, find BOE, and
This angle, you have to find BOE, this angle. And you have to find COE. Means you have to find COE reflex angle COE. It will
yeah,
just
sir.
complete this angle, complete this angle. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here if you see, Here sum of two angles is given 70 degree, AOC and BOE. So BOD, this part is given 40 degree. 40
Yes,
degrees BOD. And again, if this is 40 degrees, so this is also 40 degree AOC. Is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
Why this is 40 degree? Which property? Which property this both have 40 degree?
Alternate, vertically opposite angles.
Yes, vertically opposite angles. See. So this BOD and this is equal. Now, if you see AOC and BOE, AOC, this angle, and BOE, this angle, is equal to what? 70, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what about the BOE? How to find BOE angle? This is 30
30,
degree.
sir.
Very good. Understood why 30 degree?
Yes, sir.
Because both sum is equal to what? 70 degree.
Well, yes, sir.
40 plus 30. Again, if you see here, BOD is 40 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
So find BOE. The BOE already first answer you got 30 degree, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How to find reflex of COU? Can you tell me, Diksha? How to find reflex of COE?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. If you know COU, say.
Sir, we have to actually 360
360 minus what?
minus 40, 30, 40, and 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Listen, Diksha. If you know this angle, no COE. So
Yes,
first you find only COE, not reflex of COE. Only you find COE only. Okay. What is COU? Tell me. See, if you see the line AOE, AOB line, you can see this line.
yes, sir.
Sum of all the angles is equal to what? 180 degree, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 40 already you know this angle is 40.
Yes,
Then
sir.
this angle is 30. So what is this angle? This angle, what is this angle? COE. Can you find? Tell me.
He is 140.
140. How 140 will come? Here 40 is there.
40 plus 30 minus 180.
No. 180 minus 40 plus 30. Okay.
Yeah,
So what will come?
140.
140. Again 140 you are saying. First you tell me only 40 plus 30. What will be there? 40 plus 30.
70.
180 minus 70.
80 minus 70, 10.
40 minus 180 minus 70. I'm saying 180 minus 70.
180 minus 70 is 140.
180 minus 70 is what? 110. What do you get? Hello, Diksha, can you hear me?
Sir,
Diksha, can you hear
sir,
me? Yeah.
yes, sir. Actually, it was again lagging.
Okay, I think your network is issue having. Okay, Diksha.
Okay, sir.
Now you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
See, don't see this answers and all. Okay, this answer is different way I've written over here. Okay. So now
Okay, sir.
this COE is nothing but 110 will come. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if in 360, if you minus 110, if you do, no, you'll get the answer. That's it. 250. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
So why you're just concentrating on the answers right till now, right?
Yes, sir.
So don't see these answers. You try to understand by yourself. Okay, then you can do easily.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Diksha. Okay, Diksha, we are just closing the meeting. If you're having doubt, you can ask right now. Okay, we are close the meeting. If you're having any doubts or any questions, you can ask now. We'll end up the meeting right now. Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fine, Diksha. See you in the class. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, Diksha. Thank you. You can leave the meeting now.
Thank you, sir.